wondered why Ghana still imports tomatoes worth approximately $400 million annually from a country sitting in the dry Sahel, despite Ghana's rich soil and abundant rainfall? Burkina Faso in the dry Sahel is characterized by severe heat, erratic rainfall, and vulnerability to droughts. Yet they are able to supply their local tomatoes demand and still fix Ghana's dry season tomatoes demand as well. In our last episode, we saw how Burkina Faso harnessed seasonal rainfall runoff to outperform Ghana in terms of tomatoes production. If you've not watched that episode, kindly check the description bar or the comment section for the link to that video. Now, the other strategy employed by Burkina Faso is the adoption of improved high-yielding disease and drought-tolerant seed variety. Meanwhile, many Ghanaian farmers still plant open-pollinated seed varieties, which have low or no market demand due to the fruit quality, low shelf life, smaller size, and poor fruit firmness. Open-pollinated seed varieties are seeds saved from previous production to be replanted. Harvested tomatoes in wooden crates travel distance to get to the market. If seed variety was not selected for that journey, you'll be losing money before your customer ever gets to see your produce. Choosing certified hybrid seed variety for high-yielding fruit quality isn't just an option in commercial farming. Here is a simple question. Fresh, firm, beautiful tomatoes, watery and soft tomatoes, which one would you choose when you go to the market? Obviously, you choose the fresh, firm, beautiful tomatoes. That is the exact calculation market queens make at the wholesale level every day. And the imported tomatoes are meeting this calculation. Ghana can win this back by adopting improved seed varieties. Seed is not just an input, it's the first choice because it can either build value or destroy it. My name is Qwesi. See you in the next episode as we continue to break down how Burkina Faso is able to outperform Ghana in terms of tomatoes production despite their weather condition. Thank you.